Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed that Meghalaya will set up 2 Indo-Israeli Centres of Excellence for horticulture development in the state. Talking to the media after Indo-Israeli collaborative horticulture projects in Meghalaya at Hotel Pinewood in Shillong, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said one centre will be set up in Khasi Hills and another in Garo Hills at an estimated cost of over 10 crore rupees each. Sangma also said Israel will help the farmers of the state with the technology to improve productivity. The Chief Minister also said the Israel agricultural scientists will provide all the technological know-how to the farmers of the state that are suitable to the local climatic conditions
to
of the
ensure
state.
that the uniqueness of the produce that we have, which may not be available in other parts of the world, could be of high value somewhere in the world. So it's really an open-ended question, but we will do what is in the best interest of them.
Sharing his opinion, an Israeli ambassador, Dr. Don Kalka, said Israeli scientists do have the various technologies that will suitably apply to the local conditions.
The conditions that are there with every farmer, what is his challenges, what is relative advantage, and to work on that. And if it demands new crops, so it will be new crops. If it will just advance of current crops, that's what we'll do. So it will be tailor-made. This is the best way to bring to optimizations under the constraints that are there. There are many constraints, but once we realize the relative advantage, working with the farmer and adjusting the solution and the model for his conditions, tailor-made, this is what will bring the profit and the objective that we are looking for. I'm very pleased to come to this lovely state, and today is really special milestone when the state of Meghalaya is becoming part of the family of the states that are part of the Indo-Israeli agriculture project, which is a very successful project. We have now in this project 29 functioning centers of excellence all over India. In these centers, we bring our latest technologies, practices, advanced systems that we use for advanced agriculture and water management. So now we just discussed a very constructive discussion, and we're starting the process, of course, with the participants and the cooperation of the government, the federal government of India. And we'll start initiating centers of excellence here in Meghalaya. And we're going to bring the best experts from Israel with the latest technologies and to build a tailor-made program for advancing and sharing our practices and experience with the farmers of Meghalaya. Give us the precise view of the field so we can really analyze by the accuracy of pixels what is the situation in every field, and to analyze and calculate exactly the amount of water, fertilizers, nutrition that we need in order to utilize and to get the best that we can get from every land and every farm. And this is what we do. This is technologies that are taken from the defense sector, from space technology sectors, and are implemented in agricultural equipment in order to utilize and to make the maximum that we can do with the conditions that we have. Today, we came with a delegation of experts from Israel to work and discuss and start a new way of developments. So we came to talk about agriculture, developments of centers of excellence, just to accept farmers that will come and will share with us their conditions, their challenges, and then we learn what they need, and then we'll see how we can implement and adjust the technologies that we already use and invent and we found very useful and to adjust them to the needs of the farmers here, to be tailor-made.